Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Valorant. While launching the game, you simply got an error, Valorant couldn't start and you are not able to play the game. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, let's proceed with the basic troubleshooting steps. If you have installed Couldnt free antivirus, Citrix Workspace, make sure you completely uninstall both the programs, Citrix as well as Couldnt. Nextly is, if you have installed the game onto the HDD, make sure to move or install the game only on the SSD, which help you fix out the issue of Valorant couldn't start. If this failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. Right click on start menu, choose the option run. Type here %temp and then hit the enter key. Whatever files are present over here, select all of them, right click and choose the option delete. Skip the files which are not able to delete, and once deleted, again open run command and this time type temp and then hit the enter key. Again select all the files and delete these files also. Thirdly is, again open run command, type in %local app data % and then hit the enter key. Over here you need to find two folders. First one is Valorant. If it is available, make sure to delete it. Valorant is currently not available, so I cannot delete that particular folder. Second folder is Riot games. Once you find the folder, right click and choose option delete. Like right now, it is giving me the error. So in order to rectify this error, make sure the Riot Vanguard is not running in your system. Like over here, Riot client is running. Make sure you exit it. Now go ahead and delete the folder. Now you will be able to delete. Now go ahead, restart your PC and relaunch the game to fix out the issue of Valorant couldn't start. Now if this method also failed to work out, I have a simple tip for you. In your taskbar, you need to click on this up arrow key, and if Riot Vanguard or any related service is running, simply right click and choose the option exit. After closing Riot Vanguard, go ahead, restart your PC and then relaunch the game. Sometimes this simple tip help you fix out the issue of Valorant couldn't start. If these methods doesn't help you resolve the issue, let's proceed with the advanced troubleshooting steps. Before proceeding, I recommend you to close Riot Vanguard or Riot client services from your system. For example, right now it is running right from here. Close it. After closing, click on this up arrow key to make sure that Riot client is not running. If it is running, again exit it. Now again open task manager and make sure again the Riot client or Valorant is not running right over here also by pressing the R key for Riot client and V key for the Valorant. Now click on start menu, type CMD and choose the option run as administrator. You need to type here two commands one by one. First one is sc delete VGC and hit the enter key. Next one is sc delete VGK and again hit the enter key. Now once both the commands are completed, close it. Now make sure to restart your PC, else these commands will not work. After restarting your PC, open C drive, program files and here press the R key to find Riot Vanguard folder. Right click and choose the option delete. You can see I have not restarted my PC, that's why it is not allowing me to download this particular folder. So make sure to restart your PC and delete this folder. After deleting, relaunch your Riot client. It asks you to update the game. Go ahead and simply update the game. Now you can see it is asking to update. Go ahead, simply update the Valorant and after updating, launch the game and this will fix out the issue of Valorant couldn't start. If this also failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. Sometimes updating the drivers to the latest version helps to resolve this particular issue. For AMD users, here is the official website for AMD and you need to download this particular option, download Windows drivers. This is auto detect driver. Download and install it in your PC and this will detect your drivers and update them automatically. For NVIDIA, here is the official website and here is automatic driver updater. Click on this option, download now. Again save it. Once saved, launch it and this will provide you the latest update which in turn help you update the drivers to fix out the issue of Valorant couldn't start. If all this method doesn't help you fix out the issue, let's proceed with the next step. Head over to this PC, C drive, Riot games, Valorant live, and here you will find a file with the name Valorant. Right click, choose the option properties, click on compatibility tab. Here make sure you need to uncheck this particular option if it is already checked mark. Nextly is uncheck run this program as an administrator, hit apply and OK button. Now open shooter games, binaries, Win64, scroll down to find a file Valorant win-shipping. You need to do the same steps. Head over to properties, compatibility tab and make sure if this is check mark, uncheck it, and if admin option is also check mark, uncheck it. Once done, apply OK button. Now go ahead, relaunch the Valorant and this will fix out the issue of Valorant couldn't start. Now however, if all these methods fail to work out, the last hope we have is to right click on start menu, choose the option run and type services.msc and hit the enter key. Now here press the V key to find a service with the name VGC. Double click to open it. If the service status is already stopped, you need to click on the start option to start the service at once. Once started, in the startup type, make it automatic. Now one more thing friends, if the service is already running, you need to first of all stop the service, then again start the service. Make it automatic, hit apply, OK button. Now go ahead, relaunch your Valorant and this will completely fix out the issue of Valorant couldn't start. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.